a company that is focused on creating beauty.
Aston Martin has 104 years of history creating timeless, stylish, beautiful cars. We're recognized for cars that simply make you go, wow. We have a whole raft of new products that are coming out over the next 4 years that really change the face of who we are.
We called it the Second Century Plan, a plan that would not only revive the company, but would also make it sustainable for the next 100 years. With the best tools in the industry, you can't help but be innovative. You can't help but be disruptive. In that collision, things are going to happen by empowering passionate people to change the whole tempo of the company and the culture of the company.
It's absolutely vital that we have amazing people using amazing tools and making sure all those people can collaborate really clearly. And we find Microsoft to be a great partner in helping people collaborate better.
Collaboration is a culture.
The only way that you can achieve things is through people, and if you don't communicate properly with people, then you can't build a car at the end of the day.
As we grow, we're having to change the way that we work. Office 365 is allowing us to communicate with people as if they're in the same office.
Technology really does help us to be efficient, to share documents, and there's no delay. We can both open the same document at the same time and talk through it together.
The core of designing the exterior of the car is a physical process, but we use the digital world really to translate that information to our engineering counterparts, to the production line, so that they can very quickly see where the ideas are. If we're communicating perfectly with the other departments, then it's a holistic view and approach, and everyone's aligned and everyone's working together. Without that, we get a beautiful sculpture that doesn't go anywhere. But together we produce something which is dynamic, looks beautiful, and we can manufacture within the facility.
As we expand, mobility has become increasingly important. We're looking to reduce the amount of time people need to travel, using Skype for Business, video conferencing to support communication between our global offices, our remote suppliers, reducing the number of trips that people need to make while still fostering communication and collaboration.
It's sharing, so the more information, the more knowledge you have, the more creative input, the more I can share with my team, the better.
Data is one of the important assets of any car company.
We need to transform that into information and ultimately into insight.
We're using Microsoft Power BI because it can draw information from a whole multitude of sources, put it in a dashboard that you can then interrogate.
There's probably more data created every year here than there has been in the 103 years that preceded it. But in choosing Microsoft to help us with the cloud, what we're saying is that we think this is the best mechanism for protecting what we think is some of the most important intellectual property in the car industry.
This incredible journey that we're on, creating these new cars, we've experienced the power of the Microsoft Cloud. We're already working as a team with the collaboration tools that we get through Microsoft 365, and it's essential for the transformation of the business.
From the very first sketch to a car that is driving out of the end of our factory, there's just an enormous sense of pride.
As you allow tools to surface into the workplace, as you empower employees, as you give a clear vision for where you want the brand to go, then you start to see sparks.